everyone, once again another video for your spoken English practice. In today's video, I want to teach you a simple way to improve your English speaking. This trick is called shadowing. Shadowing basically means listening to someone speak and repeating what they say almost at the same time. You're not only copying words, you are supposed to copy their rhythm, stress, pauses, and also the natural flow of English. But remember, how it helped me is I used to copy people's expression also. So if somebody is speaking in front of me and I want to sound just like them, I would copy their body language, their expressions, their ups and downs, everything. So if you want to really improve your spoken English, you've got to follow this, okay? Now, this is important because fluent speakers, they do not say every word separately. If you've noticed somebody who's speaking very fast and who's very comfortable with the language, what are they doing? They're connecting words. They reduce sounds. They create some kind of a natural rhythm, right? So while I'm speaking, there's always a rhythm to it. There's always a rhythm to it. So you see how there's a rhythm to it? This is what I'm saying. And here's how you can practice basically. First, you have to listen to the conversation once. Second, listen again and repeat with the speaker. So you can reduce my volume and you can start saying things with me. I'll make sure that the script is here so that you can keep repeating. All right, everybody's ready? Now try to stay close to the speaker's speed. Do not stop after every mistake. Keep going because we make mistakes and we then get a little concerned that I'm not able to push this or I'm not going to be able to do this, but don't worry about it, okay? Repeat the conversation 3 or 4 times, then record yourself, then listen again and notice where you pause, which words you stressed, and how smoothly your speech flows. The goal is not perfection, my friend. Again, remember, your goal is clarity, rhythm, and confidence. All right, so can we get started now? Okay. Hey, are you free after work today? I think so. Why, what's up? I was planning to go to the bookstore near the station. I need a notebook and a few pens. That sounds good. I actually need to buy a gift for my cousin. Perfect. We can go together and maybe grab a coffee after that. Sure. What time do you want to leave? Around 6:30. Does that work for you? Yes, that's fine. I'll finish my work by then. Great. I'll meet you outside the office then. This was a simple conversation. I played A, I played B, okay? You can totally use your sisters, brothers, siblings, parents. You can be A, they can be B. Sometimes they can be A or you can be B, etc. Please make sure you are very clear, you are copying the tone. You can change my tone, use your own tone. Like be angry and play the same dialogues. Be funny and play the same dialogues, right? Now just try to notice how these phrases connect naturally, right? For example, if you said, what's up, right? See, what's up? I did not say what is up. I did not break it down. I said, what's up? So there's a tone to it. मैं सवाल पूछ रही हूँ, वो समझ आ रहा है. Similarly, आपको follow करना है. That sounds good. That sounds good. कोई चीज़ मुझे अच्छी लगी है तो वो मेरी खुशी झलकनी चाहिए. That sounds good. ऐसा बोलूँगी तो खड़ूस लगूँगी. That sounds good. Now you see the tone. Okay. Next, does that work for you? There's a question to it. Does that work for you? तुम्हारे लिए चलता है? Does that work for you? See this? So now, I'll meet you outside. मैं तुमसे बाहर मिलूंगी. I'll meet you outside. So, चंक में बोल रहे हैं हम. I will meet you outside नहीं बोल रहे हैं. हम क्या बोल रहे हैं? I'll meet you outside, right? So, practice this conversation every day for 5 minutes. By the 4th or 5th day, you will notice that your speech feels smoother, faster, and more natural. And if you really want to work on your communications, personality, and everything, you need to know that this channel is for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe also. Hype the video, my friends. क्या आप एक फ्रेश ग्रेजुएट हैं लेकिन करियर शिफ्ट प्लान नहीं कर पा रहे हैं? कम्युनिकेशन गेम भी आपका ऑन पॉइंट है लेकिन करियर में वो स्पीड नहीं मिल रही है जो आप चाहते हैं. Well, I have a brilliant opportunity for you जो आपको next 5 months में solid job, salary, position सब कुछ दिला सकती है. पूरी जानकारी के लिए watch this video. This is your opportunity presenting the Sky Premium Bankers program in collaboration with Kotak Mahindra Bank. ये एक structured career launch pad है जो आपको direct banking role तक ले जाता है. Number 1, direct entry into banking career. Number 2, no prior experience required. Number 3, structured training plus guaranteed placement pathway. Number 4, high growth role as NRI VRM. VRM stands for Virtual Relationship Manager. एलिजिबिलिटी क्या रहेगी? मेक श्योर कि आप एलिजिबिलिटी सारी फॉलो करिए. 10+2+3 इन रेगुलर मोड रिक्वायर्ड है. आपका ग्रेजुएशन किसी भी स्ट्रीम में हो लेकिन मिनिमम 60% होना चाहिए. पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन किसी भी स्ट्रीम में हो, मैंडेटरी है, आपको पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट होना चाहिए. कोई भी स्ट्रीम, कोई भी परसेंटेज पास होने चाहिए. लोकेशंस 2 हैं, थाने एंड हैदराबाद. थाने लोकेशन के लिए आप कहीं से भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, बस आपको जॉब थाने में मिलेगी. हैदराबाद लोकेशन के लिए ओनली तेलंगाना कैंडिडेट्स आर एलिजिबल. इस प्रोग्राम का स्ट्रक्चर को हम लोगों ने कुछ फेजेस में डिवाइड किया है. फेज 1 है 45 डेज की रेजिडेंशियल ट्रेनिंग जो आपको हमारे कैंपस पे दी जाएगी. इसके दौरान आपको 7500 का स्टाइपेंड भी दिया जाएगा. फेज 2 इज 15 डेज इंटर्नशिप एट थाने और हैदराबाद ऑफिस. फेज 3 इज ऑन द जॉब ट्रेनिंग एंड यू विल स्टार्ट अर्निंग योर फुल सैलरी फ्रॉम इंटर्नशिप फेज. फ्रॉम द 5th month फुल टाइम रोल विद कोटक महिंद्रा बैंक एज NRI VRM. इस प्रोग्राम की एक पर्टिकुलर फीस है. Program fees is 1.5 lakhs plus GST. लेकिन if you compare it with the starting salary of 4.5 lakhs per annum, I think this is almost nothing. आप जैसे ही इस जॉब में फर्स्ट ईयर कंप्लीट करते हैं आपको 50,000 रुपीज का बोनस मिलेगा. सेकेंड ईयर कंप्लीट करते ही अनदर 50,000. तो आई थिंक आप अपनी फीस ऑल इन ऑल वापस ले लेते हैं. सो दिस इज अ ब्रिलियंट अपॉर्चुनिटी. अप्लाई नाउ और अपनी प्रोफेशनल जर्नी को नेक्स्ट लेवल पर ले जाइए.